ओके, फिर क्या होगा आपके पास, k इज़ अ प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी कांस्टेंट, ठीक है, k आपके पास प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी कांस्टेंट है। फिर आप k की जगह 1 पुट करेंगे तो उससे क्या होगा, k की जगह 1 आ जाएगा, और फिर 1 को आप ma के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करें तो आपके पास सेकंड लॉ ऑफ मोशन के लिए जो फॉर्मूला है वो है F इज़ इक्वल टू ma। ओके, दिस इज़ न्यूटन सेकंड लॉ ऑफ मोशन, जिसके अंदर उसने बताया कि अगर आप किसी भी बॉडी के ऊपर फोर्स लगाएंगे तो वो एक्सेलरेशन प्रोड्यूस करेगा, जो कि फोर्स और एक्सेलरेशन डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल होगा और मास के साथ इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल होगा। थोड़ी सी आप मैथ्स करेंगे और इसके बाद आपके पास एक फॉर्मूला आ जाएगा विच इज़ F इज़ इक्वल टू ma। ओके, नाउ विल टॉक अबाउट द लास्ट लॉ विच इज़ न्यूटन्स थर्ड लॉ ऑफ मोशन। बहुत ही छोटा सा लॉ है, वेरी सिंपल लॉ। द इंट्रोडक्शन फॉर दिस लॉ इज़ it deals with the reaction of a body when a net force acts on it. Okay, so this law deals with the reaction of a body, okay, when a force acts on it. So the statement is, to every action there is an equal but opposite reaction. Okay, the statement says that whenever you put an action, there should be a reaction. Okay, so here in order to understand this statement I have an example which is trampoline. You know, trampoline is this thing, you can see here. Okay, this is, you could say, a jumping you could say a jumping object where children used to play. So here you can see that some students are not very fly jumping, some are very high jumping, and some are little moderate jumping. So what happens is, whatever force this child has put on this trampoline, the reaction of the force jumps it on the opposite direction. So it means that whatever the action is, the reaction would be in the opposite direction and of same magnitude. Okay, here you can see this child, this is the you could see the highest jumper here. So it means that this child has put the maximum effort to this trampoline. That is the reason she has jumped in the upward direction to the highest point. Okay, here you could see that this boy is not very high. Okay, it means that he has put a little effort on this. So hence it means that whatever the action this child has put, or you could say whatever the force this child has put on the trampoline, the reaction was that in equal magnitude they have jumped to that high level. Okay, so this is Newton's third law of motion, which is to every action there is an equal but opposite reaction. So this was Newton's laws of motion. There are 3 laws of motion, and hopefully you have understood this. We'll meet you very soon in our next lecture video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.